Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious oatmeal cookies with no added sugar. We'll start by gathering our simple, wholesome ingredients. You'll need about 1 3/4 cups of rolled oats, 2 very ripe bananas, and 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a dash of vanilla extract to enhance the flavors. These natural ingredients create a wonderfully sweet treat. Now let's get mixing. First, mash your 2 ripe bananas until they are smooth. In a separate bowl, combine the 1 3/4 cups of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. Add the mashed bananas, 1/4 cup of applesauce, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the dry ingredients. Stir gently until everything is just combined, then drop rounded tablespoons onto a baking sheet. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your prepared baking sheet into the oven and bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack. This helps them firm up perfectly. Here are some tips to customize your no-sugar oatmeal cookies. For extra sweetness, ensure your bananas are very ripe, almost spotty brown. You can add 1/4 cup of chopped nuts like walnuts or pecans for a delightful crunch. For a chocolate version, mix in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Feel free to experiment with other spices, such as a pinch of nutmeg or ginger, to create your unique flavor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.